All right. It looks like we are in profit. Sorry about that. It must have dropped my live there, but we are back on. Again, we are trading TradeXN here using BTC USD, and we are continuing down. Again, we're in profit in that short trade. Again, we're using RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars here. Again, that only move off of points and not time. They're very easy to use. They're real linear. You're just looking for pullbacks and reversals. As you can see right now, we are in red. So we are continuing down in this trade here. We're in profit $12, looking for a $50 trade. So it's 100 points, and I'm only using 1% of my account or less at all times when I'm making trade. Again, this is all about risk management, using 1% or less of your account, putting those stop losses and take profit in place. Stop losses to protect your account because you never know what the market's going to do. And then take profit there takes away from the greed and all that stuff as well. So it's always advisable to put those into place. It allows me to get up after I set a trade and go take care of other things if I need to. I'm not sitting here with my finger on the button the whole entire time waiting to see what it's going to do. I'm busy and I got a life to live, but I can still make a couple of trades while I'm taking care of other things. Once I see a good position to jump into, but I do like to get on here for a little while and talk to people about using that risk management. Again, trading only 1% of your accounts. This is all about just risk management. Like I said, you just don't know what the market is going to do. So again, you put those stop losses and take profit. Like I said, I'm trading on TradeXN. It's the name of my broker here. They have no trading fees and low spreads and no commissions for you guys. If you guys could though too hit that like button up here, it really does help out my algorithm. It gets more people in here that I can talk to them about using that risk management. I am trying to grow my Discord. We're about 70 people right now. I'm trying to, for this new year it's coming up, I'm hoping to hit 100. It's a good area to talk about trading and all that. A lot of family members and friends don't like to talk about trading. They think it's boring. But those that like to, this is a good place to do it. Again, it's free. It doesn't cost anything to be in the Discord. So again, just hit that follow. You can follow me along, hitting that like button there. Again, we're trading with the range bars here. Futurecapitaltrading.net is my website. Again, it's free to use. They have cryptos, stocks, forex, and indices as well. So tons of stuff that you can look at. Each one of these bars for BTC is 15 points. So I'm only looking for about 10 bars for a trade. Now, like I said, we are in profit right now. Looking for a $50 trade. It's 100 points on a 5-minute time frame. So not a huge amount of time. And sometimes I can be in a trade 30 seconds. And I'll make $50. I mean, you can't make money any faster than that. Again, I'm only using that 1% of my account, though. I'm not risking a whole lot, so I don't burn my account. I can do trade after trade after trade over a long period of time to really make that money. And it's a business now. It's not, anything else. So, again, it's really advisable. If you want to really get into learning how to trade, I do have a whole bunch of training videos in the Discord as well that you can check that out as well. ANG, what is going on? Team Goal, welcome. Hank Watts Music, welcome you guys. Again, if you guys could hit that like button as well, it does help out my algorithm. The more people I can get in here, teach them about risk management, it's definitely the better for them. And so I'm on here anyway, I figure I might as well teach a few people about using risk management and protecting their accounts. So we are still in profit here, $12, and we are still heading down. And we'll see if we end up paying that take profit of $50. Like I said, we're just using those range bars. There's crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So like I said, there's all sorts of stuff that you can trade here. You have gold and oil, S&P, Russell, and NASDAQs. You have a couple different, 6 different stocks. And then you got Forex as well. So I said they're real easier to use. These have been tested for 50 years back testing, and they have found that they work really well.
Trade up now, BTC.
Hank Watts Music, what is going on? So we're getting this reversal again. We'll see. Kind of getting a bounce back and forth right now, but we will see if we end up making this trade. If not, it's okay. We can always again jump into another trade because we're only losing 1% of our account. Hey Manny, what is going on? Welcome to my live, you guys. If you're new, feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. Again, we're in a trade right now with BTC USD in a short position using the RSI, the PSAR, and then the range bars. It's really simple to use. Doesn't take a lot. I don't have stuff all over my screen trying to read and figure it out. There's just not a whole lot to it. So again, we are back in profit here. We're really pushing for that short position here. Again, only doing 100-point trades. We will see if we continue down. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up here. So it's got a trade down notification. Then we also get that audio here on BTC USD. It just said to trade down now. So we'll again see if this continues down or if we're going to get pushed back here. So like I say, you never know what the market's going to do, and that's why we always put that stop loss and take profit in place just in case the market goes against us. It's all about protecting your account at the end of the day. Risking that 1% or less is really where it's at. Over long term of protecting your account is where you're going to end up making money. You see all these videos, these guys making 1,000% gains and all this stuff. It's just not going to happen. Those are very rare compared to all the trades that happen every single day. So I use the RSI here. You're looking for 30 on the bottom or 70, which is overbought. The 30 is oversold. And so you want to try and catch those on the reversals. As you can see over here, we are right around 40 or so, starting to head up. So we'll see what this is going to end up doing. But when I jumped in, I caught it when we were on the downtrend. Now we also had the PSAR showing that we were heading down as well. And the same thing for the range bars. It was green. I caught it on the reversal red. So all that was telling me it was time to do a short. And also BTC's been climbing for a while here. Now if I pull back, it was way down at 41,679 on the other day. So now it's starting to pull back down. Again, we're going to see if this will continue. Again, we're just looking for those short trades. It's called derivative trading. So you can trade going long or trade going short. You can go either way. So it's not futures or options. It's just derivative trading. Again, if you guys could hit that like button up here, it would really help out my algorithm. So we have one person in here right now. So that hitting that like button would definitely help me out, and I would really appreciate it. Thank you very much, Manny. I do appreciate that a lot. Because it's dying in here, and I know that the like buttons really do make a big difference. So, again, it is late, probably as well, and we might be in between. I don't have my times on me right now. What times it? Wait, London time, New York time, London time. We're in between that. Asia time's over. I think we're in Asia time right now, or just about to be. Sometimes when we get in between, it ends up kind of going dead. So we'll see how that goes. So it is important too to try and catch the market when there's a lot of volume, and that can make for some really quick trades as well. So we've got a trade down now on AUD USD, which again is one of our one of the forexes up here. Yeah, AUD USD, as you can see, it just said trade down now right when we reversed from green to red. So that's what we're doing here, is continuing down, and that could end up being a good trade. I'm not in that one, so not sure, but that's when you'd want to catch it, when you get green to red, and then you get an audio signal for sure that just confirms. That was JPY. So he's got USD JPY on. Man, this thing's starting to go crazy on a long position there. Pardon me. So BTC right now, as you can see, it's kind of bouncing again back and forth. It's kind of gone flat here. It's pushing, on this line here with some resistance. So again, we're going to see what that does. Hey Manny, again, thank you for all those likes. That really does help. I do appreciate that a lot. So the RSI is still right around 40. It's kind of gone sideways. So we are trying to get that angle curve. I mean, at the end of the day, this is really kind of the angle that you're looking for. As far as like volume is concerned, you don't want it to be flat. But again, we'll see how this trade goes out. I'm really hoping we will get some more push down here, but who knows what it's going to do. So I said, sometimes these are really, really fast. I mean, I can barely get the button, not to click the button sometimes, and I've already hit my target. So, and then other times it can sit for a while. It says it just depends on what the market's deciding to do. Again, welcome to anybody that's just joining. I'm here every single day. Feel free to ask any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. Like I said, we're trading on TradeXN right now is the name of the broker. We're trading BTC USD in a short position. We're using that RSI, the PSAR, which are these dots, and then the range bars as well, which only move off of points and not time. And those are the biggest really part of my whole entire strategy, besides using that 1% of my account and protecting it at all times. Hey Manny, you pretty good? You pretty new at trading? Or what do you trade since you're here? Have you been trading very long? So again, we are trading. It's all about, like I've said, about risk management there. We're always risking less than that 1%. USD JPY just gave another audio signal. We always want to protect our accounts by only using that 1% or less than our account at any given time. It takes a long time here. So just today, where are we at? $60 today. I've kind of had some ups and downs in my trades. In the last 7 days here, up $343. So like I said, they're small trades. It doesn't take a whole lot to make movements, to make profit. It's just over time. So we're definitely making gains here. Again, it's slow and steady, but that's just that's what wins the race here, right? Oh, you trade stocks, nice. I'm definitely always looking at stocks. I do a lot of penny stocks on the side as well. Those are a lot of fun, but they're super volatile, and you never really know which way they're going to go. But they can definitely make you some money too. So it looks like we're negative profit, $26. So we're going to see what this is going to end up doing. We may end up getting knocked out of this trade too, because this market's just been a little crazy today. So like I said, I like coming live just because I'm able to learn from you guys as well. It's not just one-sided. And I like teaching my strategy. Since I'm already here trading, I'm not just sitting here quiet in my room. I'm able to talk to people while we're doing this as well. So it makes the day a little bit more exciting while I'm making my trades. So that's if our room is busy. As we can see, it's kind of quiet tonight. But that happens too. So again, it's all about consistency. I'm slowly growing my followers as well. I think I'm still under 5,000, but we're getting there little by little. And again, I'm trying to join that Discord. Hey man, you can always join the Discord there as well. Again, it's free to use. It doesn't cost anything. I have a whole bunch of training videos in there as well on how to use the range bars. How to set up TradeXN is all that stuff is in there too. And I'm on there every single day. I'm always checking, talking to Discord and the other ones that I talk to. So it's just fun part of what I do as well. So it is important to understand too that anyone who really wants to do trading will need about $10,000 to $50,000. And the reason for this is just because it takes small percentage gains on a regular basis, and that 1%, say like on $10,000, is just $100. So in practice and testing strategies, I always want to start off with one like around like $1,000 to $5,000, and then I can just do like 0.01% of my account, which is like pennies to dollars. So I'm risking just a little bit to learn how to do it live. I really don't believe in demos. I don't think they work the same because you're not treating it the same as you will if you have money on the table. So using real money, even if it's just pennies or a small amount of money, really makes a big difference in your trading strategy. At ATR man, hey, what is going on? So again, welcome everybody who's just joining. Welcome to my lives. I'm here trading every single day. Again, feel free to ask any questions if you want learn more completely for free. Just give me a follow. Join that Discord link in my bio. Like I've said, I'm trading BTC USD on a short position right now. We're using that RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars here is our trading strategy. And we always put that stop loss and take profit in place to protect our account at all times. Again, thank you guys for the likes. They really do help out my algorithm. Hopefully we can get a few more people in here tonight just because it seems to be pretty slow, which is disappointing. I mean, I'm going to be trading here anyway, but it is always nice to have more people to be talking to, so I'm not being crazy and talking to myself. And like I always say too, is that I'm not selling anything, no courses, no bots, no paid sessions. I'll never ask for your money. Everything I do is for free. It doesn't cost anything. It's like I said, I'm just trying to join my Discord community. So make sure you give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. Now I do make some commissions on the side when you guys register using my link. You guys learn how to do this, and I get a little bit of something out of it, so it's kind of a win-win situation here. Like I said, we are trading BTC USD in a short position, but we might get knocked out of this trade here, but we'll see how it goes. But again, it's all about using that 1%. Again, I have that stop loss in place just in case the market goes against us. Again, because like I said, it's all about consistency. Remember, you treat it like a business. You have to be very consistent. A trading strategy will require at least a couple weeks to a couple months to show you big enough data, which proves that this strategy works or not. A lot of people bounce around from strategy to strategy and trying different things all the time, and then they don't go anywhere and they end up getting tired of it, or they lose all their money in their accounts. So just be good to be consistent, use that smaller percent and to get good at it. Then you slowly up it over time. And people must be on a whole bunch of other TikToks tonight because it's just dead in here. Like I said, I've been doing this for about 3 years now. I've been trading with TradeXN for about 2 years. They've always been good. Like I said, they don't have any trading fees, no commissions, and small spread. So it's been a pretty good broker for sure. Now what's this thing going to do? I think we might end up getting a reversal here. We just got the PSA stop here, so I think we're going to get pushed out. Again, it does happen, but you always use that stop loss just in case that happens. I just leave it and I don't move it. So again, we'll see what it ends up doing. Hey, Marcus Charles, what is going on? I don't know if you're still in here or not, but if you are, welcome to my live. So we're currently in a trade with BTC USD right now. Just looking for a 100-point trade. We're currently negative at the moment, but we'll see if this does continue. About 10 more to go here. We'll see how it plays out. I mean, we're getting a pullback. Like I said, sometimes this will we'll get real close to that stop loss, and then it'll turn around and go the other way, and we'll see what this ends up doing.
Trade down now. BTC USD.
There's that trade down now. BTC USD. We just got that audio signal again saying that we need to do a short position, and we are in that short, so we'll see if this will continue down and do that reversal on that PSAR. Pop, 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 pop.
Trade down now. Euro USD.
Trade down now on Euro USD. Again, those are the audio signals here on the range bars. Like I said, we have crypto, stocks, forex, and indices to trade on. Again, we're just looking to catch that reversal of the green and the red. like the LTC. We have LTC is red, and then got that reversal of red, letting us know which the direction is going. Again, it's really easy to use. It's not super involved because you're just moving when the market moves. Again, these have been back tested like 50 years, and have shown overall that they work really, really well. This is a really long trade. What is going on here? We're getting closer back to profit again. I think these PSARs might flip direction and continue down. Like I said, you never know what the market is going to do. Sometimes it will absolutely surprise you. Again, that's why we put that stop loss and take profit in place just in case. And there we go. We are back in profit again. We're going to see how this continues out. We might end up making profit.
Trade up now, BTC USD. Trade up now on BTC USD.
Hey, what's going on? We got somebody back. Sorry, I step away and get something to drink. Oh, pardon me, geez. Like I said, we're trading BTC USD right now in a short position. Just doing 100-point trades here. It's coming going back and forth. In the last few minutes, we hit a little stop point here. But again, we'll see how this goes. So it looks like the PSAR is continuing up here. Again, we have that stop loss and take profit in place. You never know what the market's going to do, so you always protect your account, put that stop loss in place to protect it at all times. Again, only trading 1% of our accounts at all time. And again, we put that take profit in place because this could just spike and it would hit our take profit and we would be doing really well. Again, I'm able to get up and go do other things if I need to once I have a trade set, have that stop loss and take profit in place. VIK1234, how are you doing tonight? Again, this thing's going back and forth here on BTC. Again, we're only trading 100-point trades. Trading with the RSI, the PSAR, and then the range bars here. The range bars, again, are linear. They're really easy to read. It takes all this other noise out of the market. So you can see when they're going down and what's going up. And you're just going to catch it on the reversals and pullbacks. And these also have the audio signals as well, letting you know which way the market is going. So it's really beneficial. Again, these are in the link in my bio. But you can go to futurecapitaltrading.net and get them as well. Again, they don't cost anything. They're free. They're just off my streaming service. I'm already in a trade right now. So I like coming on here and talking about people. These are range bars. They're not the Renko bars. It's different. They're range bars. They only move off points. They don't move off time like Renko bars do. It's not the same thing. Again, these are on my streaming service, so you can use them here. Again, they don't cost anything to use. You just have to use an email to sign up. So we are getting this reversal from this pullback here on the range bars. And they are, we'll see if it will continue down or not. We've kind of been going back and forth here. And again, there is a link in my bio as well for the Discord on how to use the range bars as well. And then how to use TradeXN. Again, they have crypto, stocks, Forex, and indices on here. There's no options or futures on TradeXN. But it does look like it is continuing down here, so we may end up in profit in this trade. It's pretty cool. Again, VIX, if you have any questions, definitely hit me up. I'm always here to answer as many questions as possible. Like I said, if you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join the Discord link in my bio. So these range bars, though, too, they have cryptos, they have indices, stocks, and Forex. So you have a bunch of different stuff that you can trade with on here. Like I said, it just takes your email. Doesn't cost anything to use. It's just on my streaming service, futurecapitaltrading.net. So sometimes these trades, it's only 100 points. They usually go really fast. And of course, right now in this trade, I caught it right at the bottom, and now it's just trending sideways. If it was already in this sideways trend, I wouldn't even jumped into this. I just happened to have caught it right here at the bottom, and it stopped. And it could have easily gone a little bit more, and we'd be out of the trade already. Like I say, you never know what the market's going to do, so you always put that stop loss and take profit in place. Like I've said before, it allows me to get up, go get something to drink, go do something else, and I don't have to sit here and stare at the screen with my finger on the button. Again, if you guys could hit that like button, it does help out my algorithm as well. Gets more people in here that I can talk to about using risk management. Again, only using that 1% of their account and treating it like a business so they can trade for a really long time. But having those likes does help out my algorithm. So Again, we're -4 right now, but looks like we're continuing down. Oh, we hit 0 there for a second. So it bounces back and forth sometimes. But again, that's what that take profit and stop loss and risk management is all about. So trade down now, USD JPY. On the Forex, like I said, they give audio signals as well. Renko bars don't do that. And we are back in profit. So again, we will see how this ends up playing out. Hey Jay Williams, what is going on? Welcome to my live. We're currently in a trade with BTC USD right now in a short position, currently in profit. I'm just looking for a $50 trade, which is 100 points. Only using like a little less than 1% of our account. Again, using those stop losses and take profit to protect our accounts. We're using the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars in order to make a informed decision here on our trades. So we're looking for a $50 trade. We're up 11 right now and continuing. We had a little bit of a stall out, but it looks like it's going to continue pushing down. I think we'll end up making this trade. Again, welcome if you're just joining. Again, feel free to ask any questions. If you'd like to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. Like I said, everything in there shows you how to use TradeXN, which is named my broker. No trading fees, low spreads, and no commissions. And then I'm using the range bars. And again, those are free to use. It just takes your email to sign up. It's crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. So there's a lot to choose from. Hey, VIX, thank you for the live. I really do appreciate that. The likes, the live. We're up $12, and we'll see if this will continue down. Like I said, it's got the reversal here, so we had the red. Oh, let me pull that down. There you go. And then we have that pullback, and now we're continuing down here. Again, we're looking for about 10 bars to complete a trade here. So we're back in profit, $13, and we'll see if we're going to make this. So I said it's all about consistency, you guys, and risk management, because you never know what the market's going to do. Big bulls or bears can come in and just destroy the market. If you don't have a stop loss or take profit, or if you're risking way too much, you can end up just burning your account. Hey, Pumpkin Rads, what's going on? Welcome to my live. We're currently in a trade with BTC USD in a short position right now. We're currently in profit, $14, just looking for a $50 trade, which is about 100 points. Is all we're really looking for. Again, we're trading on TradeXN is the name of our broker here. Again, no trading fees, low spreads, and no commissions. Now they got crypto, stocks, forex, and indices. This is all about risk management, is what I show here on this TikTok. I'm only trading 1% of my account or less at all times, and using that stop loss and take profit to protect my account. So I'm using the RSI. It lets me know if we're looking for either like 30 or 70. If it's 30, it's overbought or sold. Sorry, and if it's 70, it's overbought. Jeez. And then we use the PSAR, looking for the direction of the market. The dots are on top. It means that we're going down. If they're on the bottom, then we're going up. So that's what we're looking for as well. And like I said, we're using the range bars here as well. They said we were going down, had that pullback, and then we're continuing down some more here. So we'll see if we end up making profit in this trade. And we got that reversal on the PSAR, saying that we are continuing down for that trend. So again, we're going to end up seeing what this does. The next part is about this risk management strategy is I can get up and walk away from the computer. Once I put that stop loss and take profit in, I know what my risk is. I know what my profit can possibly be. So I can take off and go do other things, take care of my family, go feed the cat, go do whatever it is that I need to go do. So go get a drink of water. It's almost like auto trading just because it's running and I already have my things put in place. So it's really nice. Like I said, I've been on TradeXN for about 2 years now. I've been trading 3. And TradeXN has been really great to use. Just again, no trading fees and low spreads. I haven't really found anything better yet in the market, so I've been using them. If you ever have any questions on it, you can always contact support@tradexn.com, and they can always get back with you as well. Again, anybody who's just joining, welcome to my live. Again, I'm trading here every single day. Feel free to ask me any questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, please give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. So I said, we're in a trade right now with BTC USD in a short position. It says if you've never used the range bars before, it gets rid of all this noise that you see here. It makes it very linear and easy to read. It's going up or it's going down, and you're just trying to catch the reversal from red to green. It's really at the end of the day what it's all about. Hey Nasir, the Pip Whisperer, how you guys doing? Again, welcome to my live. We are in a short position in profit right now with BTC USD. Just trying to catch a 100-point trade here. Again, we're just using that risk management, using that stop loss and take profit to protect our accounts at all times, because you never ever know what the market's going to do. It never repeats itself, and it changes every second of every single day. Also, we use the RSIs when we're doing our trading, looking for a 30 or 70 if possible. If it's 30, it's oversold. If it's 70, it's overbought. And so you're trying to catch it when it's going each direction. Then we use the PSAR, which is the dots, letting us know which way the market is trending, and those really help as well. And then we use the range bar. So together, all that lets us know what the market is doing, and we can make an informed decision when we're starting a trade here. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. Like I always do, I like to emphasize how I'm never selling anything, no courses, no bots, no paid sessions. I'm just trying to grow my Discord community as well. About 70 people right now, trying to get to 100. It'd be awesome if I saw that by the end of the new year here, but you never know how that's going to go. And again, I have a whole bunch of training videos on how to use the range bars, TradeXN as well. So it does make it a lot easier. I did all the footwork for you guys. Again, it's free to use. The Discord doesn't cost anything to join it. I just like to have a place where people can come and talk about trading. I know a lot of family and friends don't like to talk about this stuff, so having somewhere to go where you can, I think is a pretty cool community as well. So we're currently in profit. Keep bouncing around about $7 right now. We're going to see if this will continue down and hit that $50 mark. Sometimes trades can go kind of slow. Just depends if you kind of hit a dead spot, if you lose volume, which is what I feel like happened right now. And we might be in between trading sessions, and that can really slow stuff down too. Because you have the Asian market, New York market, the London market. If you catch them right in between it, you can really lose some volume there. So again, we'll see how this goes. So we're currently in profit right now, about $10. BTC USD on that short position. H Pro FX, what is going on? Welcome to my live. So anybody who's just joining, welcome to my live. Like I've said, I'm here trading every day as much as possible, even during the holidays. But feel free to asking questions. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. If you guys could, please hit that follow button. It does help out my algorithm as well. I do appreciate it. So I'm always looking for a good entry anytime I'm doing trading. I'm trying to catch the market as much as I can on reversals. So if it's in a long position, I want to catch that short. As you can see here, it's been climbing, and now it's starting to curve that mountain and head back down. So we're trying to catch those short positions. That's what I'm in right now. Again, we're looking at those PSAR, so let us know what it's doing as well. And like I said earlier, it was showing a downtrend, had that pullback. Now it is continuing down again. So we'll see if we hit that take profit of 43,174 is what I'm looking for right now. Again, you guys, welcome to my live. I'm here trading every single day. If you have any questions, you want to learn more completely for free, give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. Like I said, it's completely free to use. I've been doing this now for 3 years total trading. I've been using TradeXN for about 2. They've been a really good broker. No trading fees, low spreads. So it's one of the best ones I have found around so far. Now, like I always say, I'm not selling anything, no courses, no bots, and no paid sessions. I will never trade for you. So if you ever see my name and they're asking for money to do something, it isn't me, because I won't trade for you, and I'll never ask you for money. I'm just trying to grow my Discord. We're about 70 people right now. I'd love to see it get to 100. Maybe by the end of the year, that would be great. Again, if you guys could hit that screen a couple times, it would help out my algorithm. I would really appreciate that for sure. So like I said, risk management is the most important thing that you can possibly do. You always want to trade less than 1% of your account when you're trading. Again, you want to treat it like a business. In order to do that, any business isn't risking a whole bunch of money when they're trying to get more merchandise and all that for customers. They're trying to find the newest thing that's going to sell. And they're not going to risk 50% of all their capital in order to do that. Most traders end up losing money because they don't follow a proper risk management strategy. They're always risking too much. They're doing 20, 30, 40% or more of their accounts and can only do a couple of trades. And if they lose it, they've lost so much, and I got to try and make it up, and that's a double. Just try and make anything back. So using that only 1% or less of your account is really where it's at. And again, these range bars have been back tested like 50 years. And all that information is shown that they work really, really well. And all you're trying to do here is catch reversals. There's not a whole bunch of other stuff on the screen to make it complicated. So we just got an audio signal as well with these range bars. It does give you the audio as well as showing the reversals from red to green, let you know which way the market is trending. And then, of course, I use the RSI and the PSAR. So all that together makes an informed decision of how the market is moving. One of the reasons I do come live, you guys, is I like to learn and talk to other people, being very, very consistent with my trading and my knowledge. So I'm always growing just by talking to other people. And if you guys do decide to use TradeXN, please use my referral link. I do get a commission from the broker for it. So I'm helping you guys out, teaching you stuff, and that little bit does help me as well. And then I can come on here every day as well and continue showing you guys how to do this stuff. So we're currently in profit. Wow, we've got like 3 or 4 signals all at the same time. I couldn't even understand them. But we definitely got a couple of moves across the boards here. I think some of them were Forex. Let's say AUD USD might have reversed. EUR USD is one of my favorites. I reversed as well. Stocks are closed. And maybe now gold will be reversing, it looks like, as well. That's been climbing for a while too. Like I said, we're in BTC USD right now. We had a short position. Oops, can't even see what I'm doing. We had this short position, a pullback, and now it is continuing down. We might get another pullback. This thing is just kind of trending sideways on me. One good move and we will be done with this, but we'll just see how it goes. I might just get this one trade tonight And then I gotta get a couple other things done. I got family coming over tomorrow, so I gotta pick up a little bit. And go with those rascally kids, make sure the rooms are clean. Again, welcome you guys. Anybody who's just joining, again, feel free to ask any questions. And if you want to learn more complete for free, please give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. If you could hit that like button up here, I really would appreciate it. It does help out my algorithm. And I like coming on here, being able to talk to people about risk management, protecting their accounts, and all that stuff. And having a better algorithm really does help with that. So we're back up to $19 in profit and continuing here. So we, again, may end up making this trade, and we'll see how it goes. It just keeps kind of bouncing around. We definitely have lost our volume, I think. I do like using TradingView as well. I have a couple indicators on here that I like to look at. It does seem to make a difference also. And that is showing that we pop back down here to 78, heading back towards the golden ratio of 61.8. And we'll see if we end up hitting that. It does look like we had a good amount of volume earlier down here, but now it's starting to, we got blue. And then blue, green, yellow, red. So blue's like dead. And that's where we're at now. We have barely any volume moving this thing. Again, we'll see how this ends up playing out. So the nice part, again, like I said, is all about having that stop loss and take profit in place that protects my account. And I can walk away from the trade. I don't have to worry about it. And I always come back and see if I made profit or not. Again, if you guys have any questions, definitely hit me up. I definitely like to talk to you guys, see what's going on. Does anybody here trade any crypto? Have you done pretty well with it? So like I said, trading is just like a business. You have to be very consistent. So I do this every single day. It takes a couple weeks to a couple months of doing this to really understand the market and to get good at it. Especially when trading different kinds of pairs, it's good to stick with one or two for a while and get them figured out before jumping onto other ones, because they all move differently. They're like different animals. So we're up to 2065. It looks like we are still continuing down, but like I said, we'll see what the market ends up doing. Mm-hmm. 27, we're getting closer, you guys. 26, 27, I think we're definitely headed in the right direction here. We'll see if we can make this $50 trade and get this thing closed out. Like I said, I got a couple things I got to do tonight. The clock is ticking. I got family coming over tomorrow. What happened to my watch? Why did my watch turn off?
Trade down now. USD. Trade down now.
Where's my battery charger? Well, that's weird. I gotta find my battery charger for my watch. Alright, so we're at $28. What happened to my... Did it die? Oh yeah, it was low earlier. So we're at $27 and still gaining some profit, looks like. Again, we'll see what the market does. It's all about that stop loss and take profit. And using only 1% of your account at all times ends up seeing... What was that all about? It's all about protecting your account. We're like slowly gaining here. This thing's moving little by little. As you can see here on the range bars, they are moving in that downward linear position here. So we'll see if we end up making profit. I mean, slow or not. Now we're at 30, so we're getting there. It's like watching paint dry. Sometimes this thing can move like in seconds. I mean, it's so fast sometimes I've closed out manually because it hit my profit and kept going. And I've done some really good gains. So That does happen once in a while, but in case it decides to be slow like this, and so you put that stop loss and take profit in place. That way you can continue your day and you can go do other stuff. Like I said though, I've been using TradeXN now for 2 years. They've been a really good broker. If you ever have any issues or you want to ask them a question, you just go to support@tradexn.com.
Trade up.
We're starting to reverse back again. It's always good again if there's a whole bunch of volume. Apparently we lost our volume just when I jumped into this trade. But I never like to close out because again you never know what the market's going to do, so we're just going to leave it and see how it goes. Was it 12:20? Wow. And I said if you guys got any questions, please hit me up. I mean, I do like to hear myself talk, but only so much. Haha. Let's see why we're waiting for that. We're at 30 again. I'm going to move around a little bit while we're waiting. So like this one, gold right now, 5 minutes. Do you see how flat that is? Flat. Flat. No trado. No trado. Flat. That's what it's doing. Flat. Oh, look. EUR USD. Flat like a pancake. Smoking a pancake. No trado. Flat. And BTC has some volume, but it's just not moving the way I like right now. And we're starting to lose that trade. Maybe again. Holy moly. Yep. Like you said here, see with the range bars, they are pulling down, and then we're getting that reversal right here.
Trade up now. BTC USD.
Hey Tommy, what is going on? Welcome to my live. I'm currently in a trade with TradeXN right now in a short position with BTC USD. Seem to have caught a flat streak. We had some volume, it kind of went bye-bye. But we'll see how this continues out. Again, we have that stop loss and take profit in place just in case the market decides to shine upon us. We'll see how it goes. But just in case it doesn't, again, we have that stop loss in place to protect our accounts. Again, we're only trading with, I think it's less than 1% of our accounts at all times. I'm just using the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars here. It's part of my trading strategy. It looks like we're at $21 profit and continuing, but like I said, we'll see what the market ends up doing. Maybe. Maybe we can get a burst of energy. We'll see what happens. I was hoping to get maybe a couple of good trades in tonight, but this is taking up most of my time left. So I still got to get the house ready. I have some guests coming over tomorrow. Holy moly, come on. Yeah, it's just like in a holding pattern. Let's see what's going on in a 1 minute time frame. Yeah, still trending down slowly. Little by little, so it's been really slow. It's ridiculous. If you guys are hanging out, just see if I make this trade. It's some pretty good dedication there. Appreciate you. Again, you guys can always join the Discord link in my bio as well. Like I said, I have some free training videos in there. Just trying to grow the community. I'm not charging anything to be in the Discord either. So we're about 70 members right now and growing. So like what I was saying earlier, see, we had this downtrend and we're getting this little bit of a pullback, and it looks like we're going to continue down now. So we may end up making profit on this trade that's been crawling forever. It's definitely a good entry point. We had just lost all that volume. So we had that PSAR now just flipped, so that's showing a downtrend again as well. And now we're at 34, so we're getting there. 36, 35, so it's bouncing around, but I think we're going to end up getting there. Again, anybody who's just joining my live, welcome. Again, if you have any questions, please ask. If you want to learn more completely for free, just give me a follow and join that Discord link in my bio. If you guys could hit this screen a couple of times, give me some likes. It does help out my trading algorithm as well. I'm losing my speech today. Okay, 41, 43. We are getting there. I think we might finally end up closing out this trade. Wow, what a long trade. I've seen these trades go, in minutes and be done. So I can make a couple $100 in an hour sometimes, and other times it's $50. So it just depends. It's all about consistency, like I've said. That's what you're always looking for. That's why you put that stop loss and take profit in place to protect our accounts at all times. Yeah, a lot of bouncing around, my gosh. Hey, Joe Stevens, what is going on? Currently in a trade with BTC USD, short position. We are trading on TradeXN is the name of our broker here. And then we're using the RSI, the PSAR, and the range bars here as part of our trading strategy. Again, only using 1% of my account at all times. USD CAD is in a trade right now as well. Always using that stop loss and take profit. Using the 5-minute time frame, just doing 100-point trades. Looking for just a $50 trade. Like I said, 100-point trade movements. 50 to 100 depending how things are moving. So we're getting there. So they're just looking for that $50 profit. $43. So we're almost there. Again, we'll see how this continues. Hey, VIK, you're still hanging out in here? Cool. Hey, 46. We're almost there. $47. Again, you guys, welcome to my live. Anybody who's trading who's new, if you have any questions, please ask. If you want to learn more complete for free, give me a follow and just join the Discord link in my bio. All right, congratulations, you guys. I know that was a really long, drawn-out trade, but we definitely finally hit that profit. So we're up $164 on the day. Again, congratulations. It's just what it takes is consistency. Use no stop losses that take profit in that 1% of your account. Again, long time is what wins the race here. Just taking it slow, and all that gains and compiles over time. Because now it's another $50 in my account. That 1% is now a little bit higher for the next trade. And it just continues, and you can slowly grow your account. Again, thank you guys for joining my live. Now we're going to get movement. And I will be on again tomorrow. So again, give me a follow, join the Discord, and I will be able to see you guys next time. Again, you guys have a good night. Thank you for the lives, and I will see you again later.